Did you know that skipping breakfast might be the secret to shedding those stubborn pounds? Welcome to Intermittent Fasting 101, where I'll show you how this simple approach can transform the way you lose weight effortlessly. Intermittent fasting, or IF, is not a diet, it's an eating pattern. It focuses on when you eat rather than what you eat. Essentially, you alternate between periods of eating and fasting. The most popular schedule? The 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. But there's also the 5:2 approach, where you eat normally for 5 days and reduce your calorie intake for 2 days. IF works by giving your body a chance to burn fat for fuel, rather than constantly relying on the food you eat. Here's why intermittent fasting is so effective for weight loss. First, it reduces your calorie intake naturally, fewer meals, fewer calories. But it also improves your metabolism by increasing your body's ability to burn fat. Research shows that fasting can lower insulin levels, which makes it easier to access stored fat. Plus, during fasting periods, your body may enter a state called autophagy, a fancy word for cellular cleanup that could even have anti-aging benefits. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to intermittent fasting, so here are 3 popular schedules to choose from. 1. The 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. Great for beginners. 2. The 5:2 method. Eat normally for 5 days, then restrict calories to around 500 to 600 on 2 non-consecutive days. 3. Alternate day fasting. Fast every other day. This is more advanced but highly effective. Starting IF can be challenging, so here's some tips to make it easier. 1. Ease into it. Start with a 12-hour fast and gradually increase the fasting period. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, black coffee, or herbal tea during fasting hours. 3. Don't overeat during eating windows. Focus on balanced, whole foods instead of junk. 4. Listen to your body. Feeling dizzy or fatigued? Adjust your fasting period. Remember, consistency is key. The longer you stick with IF, the easier it becomes. Are you ready to give intermittent fasting a try? Let me know in the comments which schedule you're thinking about starting. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips to make healthy living simple. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.